Alright, we've been getting to work. Those are demoed out, the old soffits. Got some reflashing done up in here. Got some Z-bar down there. I'm not doing the whole drop the siding past the cement thing like some people do. Reason being is because it's like flared out too much, so there's a Z-bar flashing there for that reason. It's just too much for my liking, and I don't want to see it like, you know, bending out from the foundation there. So we're not going to be doing it that way. We're doing it the way I want to do it. They don't have no codes out here. I don't know if this is right or wrong. It's perfect for me. Makes sense. No one's talking me out of it, so I don't care. Got the Z-bar over there. I did get a little piece, not that it matters, but this little piece of plywood up. That way when the siding goes on, that it's going to be flush. And then, oh yeah, bars down there. And what we're going to be doing is, I think I'm going to take this off. Maybe. I don't know. Might be taking this off, new piece of siding, and then trimming over the top of the siding. You can do it one of two ways. You can do it that way, or you can do it this way that I had before. Cut the siding and then put it against this trim. Just depends on how like flush you want the trim to look or whatever. But the reason we're doing it this way is because I have huge gaps here between my drip edge on my roof line or whatever. So this is a 2-inch gap. Still not going to get closed like completely, but I need that like extra space from the siding plus my trim board to close that gap on the drip edge on my roof line, and that's for the whole both sides. So if you're asking why, I'm explaining now. But yeah, I don't know, I might just like throw 3 or 4 pieces up real quick, just go across, see what I can get done here. I mean, I don't know, I'm kind of eager. We're going to plan to get this all the way knocked out Saturday, but I kind of want to just keep going, get this thing ready. I want to get into the garage. That way we can get back to wrenching on cars and stuff, and, you know, maybe building a simulator to play some golf. So I have thought about maybe creating a golf channel that might be coming soon. I'll let y'all know. Not that a lot of y'all care, but those of you that do, I'll let you know. So I still need to do the bar back here. I'm gonna tear all this down and put new stuff up, and I'll probably rip this back real quick and put some zip right down that way we got some sealing. And then I need to still cut a piece of plywood right there, pull these soffits down, this old trim board down, and pretty much demoed and ready to go after that. So yeah, we're gonna get to it. so it closed down on us last night. The sun came down pretty quick, lost everything. Got 2 sheets up. We'll get some more later. What I gotta focus on now is getting this fascia up. So I'll throw this 6-inch fascia up here, and that way my gutter guys can have everything ready to install for tomorrow. So gutters will be getting put on tomorrow. I just need to make sure my fascia is up so that they can mount it, and we're gonna be good. So that'll be kind of nice to have all of that done, you know, within the next 24 to 36 hours or so. So I'm gonna get to it on these fascia boards, and then we'll move back over to the siding. Piece number 1 is on. It's level and everything. I know it looks a little jacked up, but this drip edge is kind of weird right here. Like, I don't know what the deal is, but it's all wonk. But yeah, first one's up, looking pretty decent. What I basically did, since I'm by myself, is I have my truck here. I got on that ladder, and then I had that additional ladder right there, that blue one. So that is like a 5-foot ladder, I think. 5-foot ladder or 4-foot, I don't know, whatever it is. Then I got on this ladder, held it up over there in that corner, and then I had the ladder sitting on the bed of the truck, holding it up right here just so I could get like a leveling tack in, and then I just kind of worked my way over, making sure it was level as it went, and shoved this up under the drip edge to make sure it's all Gucci. So yeah, moving along. We're gonna try to measure this one out here, get it put up, and then I got to go demo the back and put up the fascia there. Well, Alex and I got after it. We're sided up. Got that top trim board on too. So yeah, I didn't even have time to break this thing out. We just got straight to it. Back is done as well. And yeah, so did this all in about 7 hours. Wrapped all the way around, we got to here, so I'm just got to trim out these windows this morning, trim the corners and rehang my gutters, and I'm happy for a while. Probably next season we'll start the paint. I gotta do something about this here. This is the level of the garage and everything, so that's how much it falls. So it ends up dropping like almost 2 to 2.5 complete inches from there to there on the footings or whatever. So that's why it looks like that. But yeah, we've got it all up. We got gutters and siding all on this garage. It is mostly complete. So I'll get this trim up and everything today, get my gutters reattached, and it's gonna be ready to caulk and paint, and exterior will be, for the most part, finished. I'm gonna do a new roof probably in the next 3 years or so, but it's there. So good things coming. Appreciate you tuning in on this one. We got more things coming for this garage. We'll start working on the inside and everything, but thanks for checking it out. Peace. This is for the most part what the finished product looks like. So I got the gutters on there, new trim. I do need to get this trim on this side done right here to go against it and cover this little gap here and get everything tidied up right there. But trim on the windows there. I'm gonna snag some free drip cap here Monday or so, throw that on top, throw the last piece up. I've already cut them, so it's good to go. But yeah, more complete. I also got my GFCI outlet out here, ready to go, hot and ready. So I can attach any power I need to right now and be good to go. So I do have that light fixture. I'm gonna go shop for that here in a moment and hang up something that's gonna match these front lights here in the front, and I'll be, you know, pretty much done with the, I guess, hard things to hang up. I am gonna have to eventually, I'm not gonna close this gap with something. I'm gonna get a one piece and probably, like, I don't know if they have an 18 or a 20 footer, and cut it down, because it's gonna be 16 feet 3 inches, so is what it should be. So yeah, that's why that gap is right there, because there's two 8-foot boards up with a little gap. So I'll get one piece and rip that down. That'll complete the trim, and then this thing will actually be ready to paint. But I could maybe paint everything else and then maybe paint the trim on this later. But that's where we're at with this. And to close us down, I'm going to show you what's going down. We have cleared the corner because I have decided to buy a golf simulator, and we're going to jam up right in here. So I'm going to be making videos, golf related, maybe a little bit on this channel. If it relates to assembly and things like that and putting things together, as far as just golf videos and stuff, that'll be on a separate channel. So big things coming. So this is all going to be finished out in that theme, so we'll probably show a lot of that stuff, because, you know, we're putting this garage space together. This is going to be covered right here, so the screen should probably come to about this stud here. So it's going to be 10 feet wide, 8 feet 6 inches tall, so somewhere right in there. And yeah, that'll be our hitting spot. And I'm planning to put like a 3-person couch right here, so that they can sit here and just kind of look at the screen while it's being hit. Over here, I don't know what I'm going to do to protect it. There is like a triangular piece that kind of comes down right like this along the side, but I still am going to want some protection on the wall there, I think. So I do have these steel plates I could maybe put on the wall. I got those from a job, and decided I might want to use those. So I could maybe put some steel plates up there and stuff, and then I might also need some sort of protection for over here, maybe some sort of temporary pull-out protection for that window. But yeah, hitting mat's going to be right in here. I've got power for PC projector shooting this way right there. I'll probably end up making a hanger for the projector shooting down on the screen at some point. But lots of stuff coming. I mean, this is official, it's happening, so stay tuned. This all has to happen. Like, I've already committed to it, so we're getting after it. I've got this space clear. I have a few more things to get out. Got some old Evo stuff I'm giving away, so if you need an old MR suspension or Evo 10 intercooler or just an OEM one, I got that. I'll give it to you, but you got to come get it. So yeah, appreciate y'all tuning in, and big things coming. Let's see what's going to happen here in the next few weeks.